This is a drum sander. It's also called a thickness sander. Our thickness sander has a 19-inch capacity, which is awesome. If you want to use it, you have to get your own sanding belt. The company Supermax. Please refer to the Maker Labs website for the manual to this machine. But if you're Googling it, it's 1938. That is the Supermax sander code. So it's pretty simple. Always make sure that the machine is unplugged before you install the belt. You can also remove the safety key if you want. If the safety key is not already in the machine, it'll be located at the front desk. So, you're gonna edit this, right? So if I,
I was originally gonna keep you out of it, but you were talking for so long. I'm like, it's awkward just to be looking at our hands.
Yeah, keep me out of it.
Okay, I'll keep you out of it.
No, you can. Okay, so this rotates, and unlike the planer, where the table moves up, the actual head of this machine moves down. So that is an important thing to remember. Installing the paper. Okay, this is tricky. I'm not very good at it yet because I've not done it very much. So, in the drum, there is a lever here. Can you see it? You have to pull it, push it up like that. So, like so. Alright. Okay. So the goal is to feed your belt into the little teeth here as far as it will go. That's pretty good. Don't worry if you mess up, you can do it again. The goal though is to leave about a 1/16 of space between the paper and the end of the drum. So it's about, you want to leave just that little bit. Once you think your paper is secure, which I think it is, it's going right to the edge of this loop here. So you see it's like, if you were to flick it up, it's kind of sitting right in there. Then it's time to roll. And this sandpaper is really important because it is pre-cut. So that's why ordering it from the company is good. You can buy your own sandpaper and cut it yourself. But that sucks. So, okay. So as I'm rolling, I'm pulling up the sandpaper to have as much tension as possible. And I'm leaving, it's okay to leave like the smallest of gaps. It's actually better because if the sandpaper rubs over itself, it will damage the paper. It's okay, you can keep going. This process is very slow for me.
We could speed it up in the video.
Yeah, that's
and
cool.
And you'll look like you're just like, oh.
A wizard?
A wizard, like so fast.
I'm not worried about being embarrassed. I just don't want to take up more of your time. And then after the video, I'll explain what the thickness sander is for and like all that stuff if you want. Or you can just do that on your own. Because that's what we would do in a normal class, I guess. But this is just how to install the belt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're near the end here. Yay! Okay, so as per the manual from the maker, if you are to have any gaps in the paper, it's best to have the gap on this last two sections here where the paper aligns. It's actually sometimes encouraged depending on if you're cutting your own belt or not. It is okay to have a gap here and here. It won't affect the paper, but obviously try to make it as tight as possible. Now, there is the exact same kind of lever mechanism on the other side of the machine here. It's a little bit harder to get at on this side, but it's underneath here, this way. So what you want to do is you lift that lever up. Sometimes if it's difficult to do yourself, you can hire a friend to hold the paper taut while you shove the paper in as hard as you can. Not as hard, as far as you can.
Would you like a friend?
Yeah, have it. So hold the paper tight, or I'll hold the paper tight and you shove. Shove. Yeah, shove this in there. Yeah, excellent. Okay. All right, so, seems okay. Let go. This part should suck it in, but I think there's something a little wrong with it. Okay, so that's too loose. We're gonna try again. We're gonna get in there as, Bear with me, bear with me. All right. All right, will you hold the paper tight here while I shove this in? Okay. Okay, let go. What the heck is going on here, guys? What the heck is going on? I'm really taking a piss here out of me, huh, machine? Okay. 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 Ah. Okay, so we're shoving it. So in here. There's supposed to be like a sucking action that occurs. Okay. It's not right at all. Ah! You get the idea of what's supposed to happen.
Ew.
I might have to get Catherine. Perhaps I'm forgetting something. Part of this machine. Do you see how I've gotten loose tension? See how the belt unravels?
Yeah, it's not good.
That's what we don't want.
Yeah.
You don't want that to happen. You want everything to be tight all the way through. A little bit because I don't want that. That's exactly what we don't want when the machine starts running either.
Yeah.
Blah, 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 blah. As I said, okay. Catherine was at the laser.
She's doing laser maintenance.
Yeah. So she's the one who showed me how to do it. But
Did she make it look easy peasy?
Yeah.
Like she makes everything look?
Yeah.
Catherine reminds me of my aunt so much. It's crazy.
Yeah, she's definitely a jack of all trades. That's for sure. I aspire to be Catherine. Okay. If the first video of me putting it on wasn't good, at least you have another one.
I have like so many cuts now.
Okay. Come on, you dick.
I can believe that.
Okay. I can't figure this out. So, I had problems with it on Sunday too.
Okay.
So I'm gonna grab Catherine for 1 sec, okay?
Okay.